Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Nice movement, nice way to start off the week. Hard to see, but it was good and above average volume. And the reason it's hard to see is because a while ago, this day got a huge amount of volume. So it kind of throws off all these other days. But today was a good solid amount and above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support. And then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support to keep an eye on is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $1. And $1 is also important. I'm not going to call it a do or die level. But if the price were to come down below $1 and then just continue on down, at that point, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a logistics standpoint, if you will, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price comes down here, let's try that again. If the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, at least at this point in time, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, now you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as that $1 mark. So that level, like I said, not do or die, because it's not like if the price goes back inside of this range that means that the entire chart is destroyed. But as far as the nice movement that occurred today, yeah, you want to start to see some signs of progress. And again, that being defined as staying up over $1. What about levels of resistance? In my mind, what I'm curious about is this trend line here that seems to have been put into place. So keep an eye on this trend line here, and if the price can get a nice high volume break of that, no such thing as a guarantee, but a high volume break of that level would not be shocking to see the price then get up to the $1.15, $1.20 mark. But one hurdle at a time, and it's first got to get up above that trend line. But overall, nice way to start off the week. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.